Okay, so at the Behavioural Insights team, behavioural journey mapping is something we do on almost all of our projects. We call it the explore phase. We have an approach called test, target, explore, solution, trial, figuring out the behaviour, understanding the context in which that behaviour happens, the explore phase, coming up with a solution and then testing it. In terms of behavioural journey mapping, there's a few things that we do. So the first is usually starting with data, what available data we have, preferably behavioural data, data on things people are actually doing, but at a push also survey data, even interviews can give us an insight into the context in which these behaviours are taking place. And what you're really trying to build from that is a sort of process map of the individual behaviours that someone goes through in the context of the overarching behaviour of interest for the audience or person of interest. So we'll start maybe with some data work. What we usually move to after that, or what I would recommend, is a participant observation approach where you're going and observing people exhibiting the behaviour, where, if possible, you're engaging in the behaviour or relevant behaviours yourself so you can get a better understanding of what the factors might be, experiencing some of the push and pull, and really just understanding what the environment in which those behaviours are taking place. Now, as I say, the product you're trying to get out of this is sort of a process map of what are the things people are doing around this behaviour, and then within that, where are the touch points? Where can we interact with people? Where do we have kind of channels of communication? And also the decision points. Where are people making decisions? Where are people exhibiting these behaviours? And hopefully where the touch points and decision points are the same thing, or at least very close together. And that would be certainly our approach to behavioural journey mapping, and I think it's one that I would recommend for anyone trying to do any kind of behavioural change project.